Okay, the first program, affiliate program we're going to be joining in the first software as a service we're going to be looking at is called Clicky. Now, this is a Google Analytics alternative that has some really cool features, and I just checked. I've been using this since 2010, so it's about 7 years each and every day for 7 years for various projects. Now, let's look here at the dashboard, and one of the coolest things that you can do with this program, let me look at my residual robot, is I can spy on visitors coming in real time and get some very good actionable intelligence about what people are doing. And the analytics themselves are very in-depth. There's lots of categories, and it's very easy to use. I can see my traffic sources and all this other stuff. Let me also show you the affiliate program, which is really exciting. I want to show you the payments that I've gotten through this program. If I go right up here to the top left and I click affiliate, I can see all my payments going back to 2010. I've made 20% commissions, and these are not huge, right? They're not huge commissions, but it all adds up, and this is just one of the sources that will be sending you commissions, and you can redeem your balance at any time here. So here's what you need to do. All right, that's the bottom line. You can check out Clicky on your own time, later, dig into the features, but for now, you're going to click the link down below. So under this video, you're going to see the Clicky link. You're going to click that. You're going to go to your affiliate refer, the person who referred you to the system. You're going to go to their Clicky page. You're going to create your account. If you don't have a site to track, you can type in residual robot. That's okay, but you probably have a website you can say you're going to track. And then once you're inside, you may need to confirm your account. You can find your affiliate link very easily by going into the home page. You can always click on the logo and go right to affiliate. And right up top here is where your affiliate link is going to be. And you're going to take this link and put it in the box below this video. So plug your affiliate link in the box below. So right here, let me click that and submit it. Great, it's in. And then I can test it by clicking here to test my Clicky link. It should open a new window and just make sure that it went over to Clicky and it is working. So that's it. Join Clicky totally for free, and then plug your affiliate link in here, and then we'll see you tomorrow. There are some optional steps down below. You can do a quick Facebook post that will share your affiliate link to the residual robot and get people following you through if you want. Your affiliate link is pre-built into that post, so you just need to copy and paste this, put it on Facebook, and then we'll see you tomorrow. All right, thanks a lot.